Hi friends, today in this video, I'm going to make a simple and powerful inverter using few components, so watch till the end without skipping any part. Now our circuit is almost complete, we just need to provide the signal to these gate resistors, to drive these MOSFETs efficiently. For that I designed the simple circuit diagram using cd4047 IC, which can be operated on 12-volt DC and signal frequency can also be adjusted with this potentiometer, and signal comes out here through these resistors. Then I converted the schematics into the PCB. To avoid messing up components on pref board, I ordered the PCBs from JLC PCB. You will get high quality 5 pieces of PCBs for just $2. Then I prepared the PCB for components. So, let's place all the components into the PCB according to the circuit diagram. After completing the soldering process, I cleaned the PCB with isopropyl. And now our PCB looks nice and clean. Take a cd4047 IC, and insert it into the IC base. Now pre-solder these pads, and solder the DC input wires. Also solder the signal output wires. Now this is ready, so let's connect it with the oscilloscope to adjust the frequency. Use a screwdriver to adjust the potentiometer. Increase the frequency clockwise to 50 Hz. As you can see, frequency is 50 Hz with 50% duty cycle. Now let's connect the circuit with the MOSFETs. Solder the DC negative with capacitor negative, and solder the DC positive with capacitor positive. Solder the both signal pins with both sides of gate resistors. Before we test our circuit, let me tell you that you can also order the same PCB for this project without messing up on pref board. Just go to the video description, and with this link sign up on JLCPCB website. On the home page of JLCPCB website, here you can add the GUBBR file I provided. After uploading, you can see the preview of the PCB. You can also change quantity and color of the PCB as per your requirements. And then save to the cart for checkout. Now back to the project, I will use these bulb holders for testing. Use heat shrink tubes for insulation. Connect the bulb holder wires with the transformer AC side. Insulate the connections with tubes, and use lighter to shrinken it. Use these type of 5 mm battery wires for DC supply. Connect the negative with capacitor negative and positive with capacitor positive. I used this 100 watt bulb for testing. And used this small 12 volt battery to power up this inverter. As you can see, the bulb is glowing pretty much bright without any problem. Now I will use the another 100 watt bulb. As you can see, both the bulbs are glowing perfectly. You can even connect the more load, but needs to use with the bigger ampere battery. Also, I would like to let you know that JLCPCB launched other PCB related services like PCB layout designing, which helps you in swiftly transitioning from concept production of PCBs. As a one-stop PCB solution provider, JLCPCB offers from PCB layout to PCB production, PCB assembling to components sourcing, also 3D printing and CNC machining. Just start a layout quote. And here you can upload the schematics related files. You can download the template for instructions. And select the other parameters, and submit the order. Your files will go all these steps during the production of your PCB. And you'll get delivered with high quality PCBs. For more useful videos, subscribe this channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.